Good morning, everyone. In today's session, we are going to be learning how to make a gas alarm with the Arduino Uno. The things you are going to need are the Arduino Uno, resistors, a breadboard, a gas sensor, an active or passive buzzer, and male to female DuPont wires. To start us off, as we remember in the past couple sessions, we placed the ground jumper wire into the negative rail and the 5-volt jumper wire into the positive rail. Next, place two male to female DuPont wires into two separate rows of the breadboard. Then take a resistor and put one leg into the same row as the wire on the left. And take the other end of the resistor leg and put it into an adjacent row. Next, take the plus pin of the speaker and connect it to the same wire that is connected to the same row as the resistor. Then take the minus pin of the speaker and put it into the adjacent wire. Now it is time to explain the purpose of the gas sensor. The purpose of the gas sensor is pretty simple. It can detect any sort of gas that is not oxygen. So let's say you breathe into the sensor. Carbon dioxide can trigger the gas sensor, which can allow for the gas sensor to trigger things like a buzzer. Back to our circuit. Connect a male to female DuPont wire and connect it to the ground pin of the gas sensor. Connect the other end of the DuPont wire and place it into the negative rail of the breadboard. Take another male to female DuPont wire and place it into the VCC pin of the gas sensor. Take the other end of the DuPont wire and place it into the positive rail of the breadboard. Connect the analog 0 pin of the gas sensor to a male to female DuPont wire. Take the other end of that DuPont wire and connect it to the analog 0 pin of the Arduino Uno. Take a jumper wire and place one end into the adjacent row with the empty leg of the resistor. Place the other end into the negative rail of the breadboard. Take one end of another jumper wire and place it into the digital 2 pin of the Arduino Uno. Take the other end of that wire and place it into the same row as the right wire of the DuPont wire that connects the buzzer. And that's the hardware of your gas alarm complete. On to the software, you're going to need this code. You may pause if you like. And just like that, your sensor is complete. Now, whenever I breathe into the sensor, it should beep. Just like that. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and have a great day. See ya!